Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Learn German with Yogeeta. So in today's video we are going to learn the difference between als and wenn. Als and wenn. So the meaning of als and wenn in English is same. When. When. So both are temporal conjunctions that we can use to relate the time framework. So let's see some rules here. So als we use to refer the event that happened in the past. They only happened once. They did not happen repeatedly. When we use als, the position of verb is at the end. Now, the rules for when. So, when we use to refer to repeated events that happen in the past or repeated events that happen in the present or in future tense. So, in the present or in future tense. So it can be translated to when or whenever. When or whenever. So similarly with als, the position of verb is at the end. So when we use conjunctions als or conjunction when, the position of verb in both the cases is at the end. So let's see some sentence structure for als. So now we are doing some examples. So let's see. Als ich Kind war, spielte ich Fußball. Als ich Kind war, spielte ich Fußball. When I was child, I used to play football. When I was child, I used to play football. So here we can see when I was child. So child, I was only once. But now I can't be again child. So this activity happened once in the past form. So and you can also see when we use als, the position of my verb war is at the end. So als ich Kind war, spielte ich Fußball. When I was child, I used to play football. So let's see the second example. Als ich am Bahnhof war. Als ich am Bahnhof war, traf ich eine Frau. Als ich am Bahnhof war, traf ich eine Frau. When I was at the railway station. When I was at the railway station, I met a lady. I met a lady. Again, we can see here the verb is at the end and here we use the past form, war, past form. So again this activity is done in the past form. Now the third example. Als ich 12 war. Als ich 12 war, hatte ich Problem mit Mathe. Hatte ich Problem mit Mathe. So when I was 12 years old, I had problem with math. When I was 12 years old, I had problem with math. So now I am 33. I can't be 12 again. So this activity happened once in the past. And again my verb at the end. Now fourth. Als ich in Deutschland war. Als ich in Deutschland war, habe ich das Oktoberfest besucht. Habe ich das Oktoberfest besucht. So when I was in Germany, I visited Oktoberfest. I visited Oktoberfest. So again verb at the end and the verb is in the past form. So next example. Als ich in Agra war. Als ich in Agra war, habe ich Taj Mahal gesehen. Habe ich Taj Mahal gesehen. So when I was in Agra, I saw Taj Mahal. I saw Taj Mahal. So again we have seen the verb is in the past form war and the position of verb is at the end. So students, hopefully the concept of als is clear to you. Now we are going to see some example of when. So have a look. Now when. So when we use for when as well as if. When and if. So when we use in present form, present tense, or for the future tense. Future tense. So when is also used in the conditional sentences. For example, if I need this, I will call you. If I have money, I will definitely give it to you. So if. So let's start with some examples. Wenn ich nach Paris fahre, rufe ich dich an. Rufe ich dich an. So when I travel to Paris, I will call you. Wenn ich nach Paris fahre, rufe ich dich an. Wenn ich Hunger habe, esse ich Brot. Wenn ich Hunger habe, esse ich Brot. So when I am hungry, I eat bread. When I am hungry, I eat bread. Wenn ich krank bin, gehe ich zum Arzt. Wenn ich krank bin, gehe ich zum Arzt. So when I am sick, I go to doctor. When I am sick, I go to the doctor. Now here in the last example, wenn ich die Hilfe brauche, rufe ich dich an. So here when is used as if for the conditional sentence. If I need help, I will call you. If I need help, I will call you. So here we have done the difference between als, when and when. So students, I hope the concept of als and when is clear to you. If you have any comment, any query, any doubt, any question, you can write your question, your doubt in the comment section below. So thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, do give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.